Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of power and precision as we explore the most powerful chainsaws in the world. These machines are marvels of engineering, designed to tackle the toughest jobs with ease and efficiency. Let's embark on this journey to discover what makes these chainsaws the titans of the timber industry. Chainsaws are indispensable tools in forestry, construction, and even rescue operations. With robust engines and razor-sharp chains, these machines can cut through wood like a hot knife through butter. But what sets the world's most powerful chainsaws apart from the rest? Let's find out. First on our list is the Stihl MS-880, a name synonymous with power and reliability. This beast is equipped with a 121.6cc engine, delivering an impressive 8.6 horsepower. Whether you're felling giant trees or cutting massive logs, the MS-880 handles it all with unmatched performance. Designed to withstand the harshest conditions, the MS-880 is a favorite among professionals who demand the best. Its ergonomic design and advanced anti-vibration system ensure comfort and control during prolonged use. Next, we have the Husqvarna 3120 XP, another powerhouse in the world of chainsaws. With a 118.8cc engine and 8.4 horsepower, this chainsaw is built for extreme logging and large-scale felling operations. The 3120 XP combines brute strength with innovative safety features, including a chain brake and low vibration technology. This makes it not only powerful, but also safe and comfortable to operate, even in the most demanding conditions. Finally, we have the Echo CS800P, a chainsaw that strikes a perfect balance between power and portability. Powered by an 80.7cc engine producing 7.9 horsepower, the CS800P is ideal for both professional and heavy-duty home use. The CS800P is designed for easy handling and maneuverability, with a powerful engine that doesn't compromise on performance. Its user-friendly design and reliability make it a go-to choice for many. Now, let's take a look at the Makita EA7900PRZ1, a chainsaw that combines power with advanced technology. Featuring a 78.5cc engine and 5.7 horsepower, this chainsaw is known for its durability and efficiency in heavy-duty cutting tasks. The Makita EA7900PRZ1 stands out with its innovative design, offering excellent fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. It's perfect for those who need a reliable and eco-friendly option for their forestry work. Lastly, we have the Dolmar PS9210, a powerhouse designed for the toughest jobs. With a 90cc engine and 7.8 horsepower, the PS9010 is engineered for extreme durability and performance. The Dolmar PS9010 is equipped with a robust engine and a highly efficient air filtration system, ensuring long-lasting performance even in the harshest environments. It's a favorite among professionals who need a chainsaw they can rely on for demanding tasks. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the world's most powerful chainsaws. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.